Okay, so let us start to revise a very simple concept of determinants which can be used in various bigger problems. So I chose this question which was from J Advanced 2012. Let us start. The question says that P is a 3 cross 3 matrix and Q is also a matrix where the entries inside Q are like this: 2 times I plus j times the entries in the P matrix. So this is a custom matrix in the question where I and j lie between 1 to 3, and the determinant of P is given as 2. Then we have to find the determinant of matrix Q. So let us assume that matrix P is something like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H, I. Now, matrix Q, the entries in the matrix Q are 2 raised to I plus j times entries inside the matrix P. So I can write Q as now here I'll write the column and row name. So this is 1 1, this is 1 2, this is 1 3. These are the I and j values actually. This is 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, and this will be 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. Now it is easy to write. So the first entry will be 2 raised to 1 plus 1 times A. So this is 2 square times A. This is 1 plus 2. So 2 cube times B. This is 2 raised to 4 times C. Similarly, this will be 2 cube times D, 2 raised to 4 times E, 2 raised to 5 times F. And the last entries will be 2 raised to 4 times G, 2 raised to 5 times H, and 2 raised to 6 times I. So this is matrix Q. Now if I take determinant of matrix Q, it will be like this. So this is determinant of matrix Q. Now the property we'll use here is something like this. I can take this 2 square common from all from the same row, right? So I'll take 2 square as common from the first row. So it will be A, 2B, and 2 square C. Similarly, I can take out 2 cube from the second line. So multiplied by 2 cube, this will be D, 2E, and 2 square F. Similarly, I can take out 2 to the power 4 from the last line. Hence it will be G, 2H, and 2 square I. Now as I took these terms common, their product will be 2 to the power 9. Similarly, I can take out 2 common from this entire row. Like, so I'll take 2 as common. Now it will be A, D, G. This will be B, E, H. And I'll take 2 square common from this entire column. So it will be C, F, and I. Now this will be 2 to the power 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 to the power 12. And if you notice, this is nothing but the determinant of matrix P, right? So this will be 2 to the power 12 times determinant of matrix P, and determinant of matrix P was 2. So it will be 2 to the power 12 times 2, and it is 2 to the power 13. So answer to this question is option number D.